Hi, in order to create groups on Flippity, go to flippity.net, choose this template and click Template. Then make a copy. Then you want to put your students' names here. So you can basically just delete everything and put your student's name. For instance, Avi, Danielle, Ron, Danny, for instance. When you're done inserting all the names, go to File, Publish to Web, and then click Publish, and then Approve. And then you copy this link, Control-C, and you go to a different tab. You open a completely new tab, and you do Control-V, and you paste. Then you get this list of the names, but you click here, Get the link here. Click, and you'll be directed to your Flippity. You can use it as a Wheel of Fortune, single name, lineup, groups of 2, groups of 3, groups of 4, etc. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Bye!